another Microsoft Teams certified headset. Today we're looking at the Blackwire from the 5200 series. This is the Blackwire 5220, and we're going to talk about some of the features, the design options, capabilities with this. Most importantly, on the Microsoft Teams side, it is certified to work well with Microsoft Teams. So we'll also do a brief demonstration of call management capabilities when in a call or a meeting with Microsoft Teams. Okay, taking a look at the Blackwire 5220. One of the first things we'll call out here is that this is a wired headset. Almost all of the headsets that I have previously provided an overview and demo of have been wireless with Bluetooth capabilities. And this is a wired headset. You'll notice it has a very striking orange color in there. It's quite stylish in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Kind of have a color matching scheme going on with other components of the device itself. But a wired headset, I have been using it plugged into the Poly CCX500. Also used it a few times and just plugged directly into the laptop for Microsoft Teams meetings. But pulling the device up, I'll take a look at all the various components. Notice this is not an over the ear, this is an on the ear setup. Still gives you good sound quality that way, but that's one of those preference things, right? Are you after over the ear? Are you after on the ear? Are you after single ear versus dual ear? The 5200 series has the 5220, which is dual ear, and then the 5210 actually has only the single ear piece, leaving the other ear open. So you've got that option as well. The earmuffs themselves swivel in and out, and then we've got the mic that will extend in either directions here, the boom mic, if you will. And this mic provides noise canceling capabilities so that you're not taking in all the background noise to your audio as you speak into it. So, Poly's well known for focusing on the acoustics, and there definitely is those capabilities built right into this device. As for comfort and in fit goes, like with many other headsets, you can adjust. You've got a little bit of give to the headband here, that you've got the cushioning up top so that you're not like pinching the top of your head or making that too sore up there. And it's a pretty easy give, but also if you do need to extend it out, there is the extension on both sides to give yourself a little more headroom up top. Moving beyond the headset itself, we'll take a look at the wire. We mentioned this is a wired device. You have a pretty good amount of wire available to you. For someone like me who needs to pace all around the room, wire is inherently problematic, but if you maybe just kind of need to get off your seat, stand up, pace back and forth a couple steps, there is plenty of wire to do that here. The thing I wanted to call out about the wire is that you have this call control capability built right in. So right there, you've got almost like a little remote control that allows you to either mute yourself, turn your volume up or down, and then answer or hang up calls right from this little control bar that is built onto the wire itself. The other thing I want to point out about the wire is that there are two options. As you can see here, we've got USB-C. You can get both the dual ear and single ear sets with USB-C or with USB-A. So a few different options there that can impact your setups and work with whatever types of devices that you may be using these with. So there you go. That's the device itself. We're going to go ahead and put this on, jump into a Microsoft Teams meeting, and demo using the call control features on the wire to answer the Teams call, adjust volume, mute myself, and then hang up the Teams call. Okay, so I'm back at the laptop here. I've got the wired Blackwire 5220 plugged into a USB-C port on the laptop itself. We've got our call controls right here that we're going to use to actually answer a call in a moment. And then we'll do a little recording from Teams as well, so you can hear the audio quality coming from the Blackwire 5220. As you'll see, we got a little bit of information here up from Poly itself on the the 5200 series. I have the Plantronics hub software up here. It can see that we have our Blackwire 5220 plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and initiate a call from a phone off to the side, and we'll answer that here using our call control. Okay, we can hear that I'm placing a call to myself. We see that call coming in. I'm going to answer it. We answer the call. We can hear feedback off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself. Now we don't hear that feedback from the side. We've got the volume up, volume down, unmute, and when we're ready, we can hang up the call. And looking back at our screen, we actually see the call hanging up. And now we're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, and I am recording this. Clearly, I'm wearing the Blackwire 5220 dual ear headset. You can see it is wired. Got our call control down here. Once again, to demo this, I'm going to go ahead and mute. I'll unmute, and you can hear me once again. Got my volume up and down controls here. And then I can hang up the call when we're done. Just wanted to give you a brief demo of what the audio sounds like being recorded into a Teams meeting from the Poly Blackwire 5220. And there you go. That is the Poly Blackwire 5220. Again, this comes in two models, the 5220 or the 5210, with the 20 having both ears and the 10 having only the one ear. Either model comes in either USB-C or USB-A. You've got the boom mic on here with active noise canceling capabilities, and right here along the wire we've got the call control capabilities that work within Microsoft Teams. Hope you found this useful and helpful. I hope the demos let you get a good feel for what audio is like in a Microsoft Teams meeting, as well as the call control capabilities from the wire itself. And if you did find it helpful, please leave your comments, leave your feedback below in the video. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, come check out the rest of the videos. And if you liked it, please share it around on social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, all those good places. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next device overview video.